Hello, welcome to the Collaborative Learning with Copilot and Teams. I'm Emily Sheehy, an academic technology specialist, and in this session, we'll explore how to use Copilot within Microsoft Teams to make meetings, group work, and discussions more productive. Whether you're coordinating projects, working on teams, or running some group activities, Copilot can help you keep everyone on the same page and reduce time spent on follow-up. So just a quick general overview on what Copilot is. It is a big leap in AI launched in February 2023 as the successor to Cortana. It's a generative AI chatbot that makes interacting with technology easier and more intuitive. Using a large language model, Copilot can understand and generate human-like text, boosting productivity and user experience. So Copilot is seamlessly integrated into Microsoft Teams to boost productivity overall. Users can access it in multiple places, such as in chats, meetings, channels, and also the sidebar. This flexibility allows teams to quickly generate content, summarize discussions, and collaborate efficiently, whether on desktop or mobile devices. You'll see the Copilot icon in multiple places in Teams. In meeting recaps, where it can summarize what happened and identify next steps. In chat threads, where it can condense long conversations. And in channels, where it can surface files and links. And it's also in this side toolbar where this red box is. It's available in both the desktop app and the web version as well. Teams is a central hub for communication, but it can be overwhelming when you're juggling chats, meetings, and shared documents. Copilot helps by summarizing meetings so no one has to take extensive notes, turning decisions into a clear list of action items, finding related files or past discussions so you don't have to search manually, and keeping projects moving forward without long email chains. Copilot in Teams offers a range of features designed to boost efficiency. It leverages AI to assist with drafting messages, summarizing meetings, and generating content, all within the Teams interface. Users like you benefit from quick access across multiple Teams components, enabling seamless collaboration and communication tailored to your specific workflow. A few tips for getting the best results in Teams. Make sure meetings have transcripts or recordings. Copilot works best with that data. Be specific about the format that you want, like bullet points or action lists. Use consistent naming and organization in Teams so Copilot can find files easily. And always review before sharing with your group. These are some example prompts for Copilot within Teams. You can ask it to summarize the main discussion points and action items, have it create a list of tasks based on this meeting or this chat, draft a recap message for this group chat, and you can also ask it to find relevant files shared in this project channel. As always, you want to be aware and mindful of the information that you're inputting. You want to make sure you're aware of what is considered public data, restricted data, and confidential. If you're unsure, you can always refer to our data classification matrix. This covers exactly what is public, restricted, and confidential. Confidential is personally identifiable information like your social security number, driver's license number, anything like that. So even though it's protected, just always be mindful. Okay, going into the demo. So I'm going to go into Teams. Um, I have a team chat up. Um, so if you're in a chat and you'd like to access some Copilot features, the Copilot button is all the way to the right. You can click on it, and once you do so, It already has some suggested ideas for you. So we can get some key info from the chat. I can have it summarize it for me. I can have it write out some next steps. So let's see. Summarize this chat. And it is generating a summary for me, complete with dates, names, and what was discussed. Let's see, generate next step items in a bullet format. Um, since the project was marked complete, there are no next steps, but if there were next steps, they would be bulleted. And it also provides the date as well. And as you can see at the bottom, it's kind of hidden. You can also select more prompts once there's content coming into the chat, and it will generate some suggested prompts as well for you. Moving over to the sidebar, as you can see, there is a Copilot button. When you select on it, when you select it, it opens up a Copilot chat. This also stores any chats you've had with it across other platforms like Outlook, PowerPoint, anything like that. You can access them. There are some suggested prompts at the bottom, and it also pulls information across all apps. So you can ask it, um, I don't know, to gather emails from a specific person and have it summarize. You can ask it if there's any meetings coming up with a specific person, anything like that. So, um, let's see, latest email updates from Molly Pan. All right, and here it is generating some email updates from Molly. It's giving me summaries as well as specific links to documents that she might have shared with me. And it's also asking me if I want it to help me draft a reply to any of these things. If you want to start a new chat, you just go to this purple button up top. And you can kind of go from any of these suggested prompts and see what the output is. Um, Help me prepare for bi-weekly reports. I have a bi-weekly report due today. I can have it help me generate. Uh, we can ask for it to tell me when my next meeting with Jen Lawler is. I have no idea, so this might be helpful. And I have 16 upcoming meetings with her. So as you can see, it really integrates with everything across what we use, and you can access all of that within this chat. Um, if you have any documents, if you hover over a document, you can see, or any file type, you will see the Copilot button. And when you select it, you can have it summarize, create an FAQ, an audio overview, or you can ask it a question. So definitely take time to poke around and see what you can find and what works best for you and your workflow.